What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic supercars of the modern era, the 2015 Audi R8 V10, finished in a stunning grey color that perfectly matches its aggressive yet elegant personality. This isn't just any sports car. This is Audi's mid-engine masterpiece, a car that blends everyday usability with Lamborghini-level performance. Yes, you heard that right, because under the skin, this machine shares serious DNA with the Lamborghini Gallardo. But the R8 has always had its own identity, clean, sharp, and engineered with that signature German precision. The 2015 model year is especially important because it marks the final evolution of the first-generation R8. It represents the peak of refinement before the second generation arrived. So today, we'll explore everything: the design, the interior, the insane V10 performance, and of course, what it costs in today's market. Let's get started. Exterior. One look at the 2015 Audi R8 V10 and you instantly know this is no ordinary car. The grey color enhances its sharp body lines and gives it a stealthy, sophisticated presence. Unlike flashy colors that scream for attention, this grey tone whispers confidence. It looks classy during the day and absolutely menacing at night. At the front, you get Audi's signature single-frame grille, wide and low, with bold air intakes on both sides. The LED headlights are sharp and futuristic, giving the R8 a focused, almost predatory stare. The low ride height and wide stance make it clear, this car means business. Move to the side profile, and you'll see one of the R8's most recognizable design features: the contrasting side blade. On many models, it comes in carbon fiber or black, creating a dramatic visual break. It's not just for style, it channels air directly to the mid-mounted V10 engine. The proportions are perfect. Short overhangs, wide rear haunches, and that supercar roofline that sits incredibly low. At the rear, things get even more dramatic. The LED taillights look modern even by today's standards. The dual oval exhaust outlets remind you that this is a V10 monster. There's also a subtle rear diffuser and a deployable rear spoiler that rises at higher speeds to improve stability. Everything about the design is clean and functional, nothing feels overdone. Even more impressive is the build quality. The body is constructed using Audi's aluminum space frame technology, keeping the car relatively lightweight while maintaining incredible rigidity. The panel gaps are tight, the paint quality is flawless, and the overall finish feels premium, exactly what you'd expect from Audi. Interior. Step inside the 2015 Audi R8 V10, and you're greeted by a cockpit that feels both sporty and luxurious. Unlike many supercars that sacrifice comfort for performance, the R8 strikes a perfect balance. The flat-bottom steering wheel feels thick and perfectly shaped. Behind it, you'll find a clean instrument cluster with a large tachometer taking center stage, because let's be honest, in a V10 car, the RPM gauge is the star of the show. The materials throughout the cabin feel solid and premium. The seats are heavily bolstered to keep you planted during aggressive cornering, yet they're comfortable enough for long drives. In many gray exterior models, you'll find black leather interiors with contrast stitching, aluminum trim, and carbon fiber accents. The driving position is low and focused, with excellent visibility compared to many other supercars. Soft touch surfaces, high-quality leather, and precise switchgear give it that true Audi feel. The infotainment system, controlled via Audi's MMI interface, may not be as modern as today's giant touchscreens, but it's intuitive and functional. You also get a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system in many models, delivering crystal-clear audio, though honestly, the best soundtrack here comes from the engine behind you. Performance. Now let's talk about the heart of the beast, the 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10 engine. This masterpiece produces around 525 horsepower in the standard V10 and up to 550 horsepower in the V10 Plus variant. 0 to 60 miles per hour happens in just about 3.5 seconds, and the top speed is over 195 miles per hour. But numbers don't tell the full story. What makes this engine special is the way it delivers power. There's no turbo lag, no artificial sound, just pure, linear acceleration. As the revs climb toward 8,000 revolutions per minute, the sound transforms into a high-pitched mechanical scream that sends chills down your spine. You can pair the V10 with either a gated 6-speed manual transmission, which is incredibly rare and highly desirable, or the 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch automatic. The dual-clutch shifts are lightning fast, delivering instant gear changes whether you're cruising or attacking a track. Thanks to Audi's famous Quattro all-wheel drive system, the R8 has incredible grip. You can launch it hard without worrying about losing control. The steering is precise and well-weighted, giving you confidence in corners. The suspension strikes a balance between sporty and comfortable, especially with the magnetic ride system that adapts to road conditions. Braking performance is equally impressive. Large ventilated disc brakes, and optional carbon ceramic brakes provide massive stopping power. On the track, the R8 feels stable, predictable, and surprisingly forgiving compared to other supercars in its class. Driving the 2015 Audi R8 V10 is a special experience. Around town, it feels surprisingly manageable. The visibility is good, the clutch, if manual, isn't overly heavy, and the ride quality isn't punishing. But the moment you press that throttle hard, everything changes. The engine roars to life, the rear end squats, and the car rockets forward with relentless force. The sound bouncing off tunnels or city buildings is absolutely addictive. This is the kind of car that turns every drive into an event. Yet, unlike some exotic supercars, the R8 doesn't feel intimidating. It feels engineered, precise, and controlled. You get supercar performance without constant fear. Prices. When the 2015 Audi R8 V10 was brand new, it had a starting price of around $150,000, with the V10 Plus pushing closer to $190,000 depending on options. Today, in the used market, prices have become much more accessible. You can find standard V10 models ranging between $90,000 to $120,000 depending on mileage and condition. The V10 Plus and rare manual versions can command significantly higher prices, sometimes well above $130,000 or more. Maintenance isn't cheap, this is still a high-performance V10 supercar. Insurance, tires, and servicing costs are premium level. However, compared to some Italian exotics, the R8 is known for being relatively reliable and easier to live with. The 2015 Audi R8 V10 is truly a modern classic. It represents the final chapter of the first-generation R8, combining timeless design, naturally aspirated power, and everyday usability. The gray color gives it a stealthy elegance that makes it look mature yet aggressive. In a world where many supercars are going turbocharged or hybrid, the naturally aspirated V10 feels like a dying breed. That alone makes this car special. It's fast, it's beautiful, it sounds incredible, and it offers a driving experience that feels raw yet refined. If you're looking for a supercar that you can actually drive and enjoy without constant drama, the 2015 Audi R8 V10 might just be one of the best choices out there. If you enjoyed this deep dive review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more supercar content. Let me know in the comments, would you choose the manual or the S-tronic? See you in the next video.